Okay, so all we're doing today is reviewing order of operations and square roots. So if you notice, I have tried to write as neatly as possible on the iPad to give you your notes for order of operations. So remember PEMDAS or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that is what order of operations is. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, you're going to go left to right, and then addition and subtraction also left to right until you simplify your expression the entire way and you get your answer. So let's look at an example. So for our example, we are going to look at, it's example, I believe 7 in your book. So let me go ahead and write that out, and then we will go from there. Okay, so here is example 7, and the first thing we do with order of operations is parentheses. So always work from the inside out. So if you will notice, we have 3 plus 2 is 5. So we're going to replace that 3 plus 2 with 5, bring down everything else. Now, over here, we also have 2 sets of parentheses. So we're going to start from the inside. 6 times 3 is 18, and we're going to bring down the minus 13. Don't let the brackets and the parentheses throw you. Brackets are just another type of parentheses. So then we're going to continue, and we get 5 minus 7 is negative 2. So that's going to stay here. We're going to bring the 5 plus 2. 18 minus 13 is 5. And then negative 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 10, excuse me, plus 10. And then we simplify that. Negative 10 plus positive 10 is 0. So that is all order of operation is telling you what order to use the different operations. You start with parentheses. If you have any exponents, multiplication and division, you work those left to right. And addition and subtraction, you also work those left to right. Okay, so the next thing I want us to talk about is square root. And this is just a quick little refresher. So that is your radical sign. So when you see that on top of a number, that means you're going to take the square root of that number. So in this case, the square root of 16 would be 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so the square root of 25 would be 5. Okay, the square root of 81 is 9. I just wanted you to have a refresher on that because you're going to go into your order of operations assignment, and some of them are going to have square roots in it.